So guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Exe Graphics and Multimedia. And my name is Rafi Yakub. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to connect or how to contact 1688 customer service step by step without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can contact 1688 customer support. Now there are some reasons, there are different reasons why you need to connect with 1688 customer support. One of the reasons might be you might have issue with supplier on 1688. You might have the problem of local shipping. You might have the problem of quality deliver, etc. Everything, all the problems you might have with 1688, there is always a solution for the problem. All you have to do is to understand the steps to take and what you need to follow to solve the particular problem, okay, on the 1688 app without any stress. But before I get today's tutorial started, guys, like you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a graphic design and also an importer and an importation coach. If you would like to join my premium class on how you can be a successful independent procurement agent, or you want to import without using any agent, feel free to connect with me on WhatsApp with this phone number right here. And also, if you would like to check out my previous tutorial about importation from China, US, Turkey, and some other country, etc., all you have to do is to make sure that you visit Exe Graphics and Multimedia. Then when you visit Exe Graphics and Multimedia, remember to navigate to playlist right here. So when you click on playlist, it takes you to another page right here. So from this point here, you can easily scroll down and then look for importation class. Currently, I have about 141 videos that has to do with importation business related topic. So you can scroll down and see importation tutorial about China importation using 1688, China importation using pinduoduo, China importation using idlefish, and China importation using WeChat, China importation using Tahoba, and gadget importation from US, Indian importation, Alipay topics, and WeChat topics, etc. All you have to do is to scroll and check up any topic related to whatever issue you might have as far as importation business is concerned. But if you would like to join my paid class, you can connect with me via the phone number on the screen of this video. I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can be a successful independent importer without using agent. So guys, without wasting much of our time, so let's go straight to the tutorial and see how you can contact 1688 customer support to solve any problem on your 1688 account or with supplier or with local shipping in China. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have 1688 app on your phone installed. So right here, this is my 1688 app. So I'm going to click on that. All right, then it's open up this way. So next step you have to take is to make sure that you navigate to your profile. Click on here. But one thing you need to understand as far as this customer support is concerned, let me quickly tell you guys, you need to have 1688 app on your phone. This only can be done when you have 1688 app. It's not going to work for you on Google Chrome, I don't think. But I'm very sure this is the right way to contact 1688 customer support on 1688 app. So all you have to do is to make sure you scroll down right here. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see right here, you have to come here and click on this point here. You click on here. So we click on here, it's going to open up into another interface. Here, this is where you need to define the kind of problem you have on 1688 account or with supplier or with local shipping or with quality of the things. But in this regard, you will need to translate this particular point so that you'll be able to understand what is written here and you'll be able to define which problem you might have. All these plain place here, you will need to translate it. So for you to translate it successfully, all you have to do, let me assist from this app. All you have to do is to make sure that you have an application installed on your phone, an application called iDictionary. This one right here is going to help you a lot to translate from Chinese character to English language on 1688 app without any stress. All you have to do when you install the app, make sure the app is active, just like what you see on the screen right here. Once the app is active, then you go back to 1688 app and see how you're going to use it to translate from Chinese character to English language. So let's see. So right here, guys, you can see that the app is fully active and ready to be used on my 1688 app. So I'm going to exit from here now and go back to the 1688 app right here. So here you can just drag out the app, and you have to set permission. Click on set permission. So you click on set permission, click on whatever area. So for you to next thing you have to do is to click on here. So you click on there, then you have to tap on here to make sure this is active. Finally, click on OK. Now the app is ready to be used. We can go back to 1688 app. Now here you can drag all over the Chinese character and translate the what is written. So we can easily translate what is written right here. So this one here says that receive goods have quality problems. So if you have quality problem, you have to select this point here. You have quality delivery or quality problem delivery, have to select that. So let's check on another one right here. So another one here say how to deal with the seller non-refund. So this point here, if seller refuses to refund your money on 1688 app, this is the right option for you to choose. So let's check on the last one right here. The last one here is how is the complaint handled. So this is where you track the progress of the complaints you submitted so far to 1688 app. Okay. So another thing you can complain with on 1688 customer support is that if you find it difficult to log into your 1688 account using your Taba username name and your Taba password, all you have to do is to make sure you select here. This one means that I can't log in to my 1688 account. So if I take this, you can see the translation. The next one right here means that distribute Tahoba. This one right here means damaged goods. And this one here means refund amount. Okay. Now, in some cases, if everything you have been looking for is not predefined right here, if everything you are looking for is not predefined right here, you can easily make use of typing search and type in whatever issue you might have. But in this regard, you make sure that whatever you want to complain right here, you type it in Chinese character so that it will be easy for anybody that wants to attend to you to attend to the issue. So you can easily navigate to some of the tab right here, okay? So you can translate. This one here means sincere credit. This one here means complaint. And this one here means refund. So if you still have a further complaint, your complaint has not been predefined right here, you can easily tap on here. This means complaint. So you'll be able to see what are the complaints, and you can see this one, how is the complaint handle progress. This one here, how to provide transaction dispute certificate, dispute transaction certificate submission. And this one here, what should I do if there is a dispute over the shipping cost or shipping problem? So this is where you handle, this is where you submit any complaint, whatever issue you may have on 1688 account, whether with supplier or with shipping or with your account problem. This is where you launch the complaint, and a customer service is going to attend to you right here on 1688 and solve the problem without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you'll be able to be notified and you'll watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my paid training, you can as well connect with me on WhatsApp on the phone number on the screen of this video, or you can check the description of this video and see how you can connect with me, only if you have interest in the paid class. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.